wheels of a van goes round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels of a van goes round and round, all through the town. How are you? I hope you're okay. I am fine. I hope you're also fine. It's your teacher Anaunciata. Welcome to Easy Elimu Learning Simplified. Wow, we've been talking about the types of food in our locality. Who can name for me some of the types of food we named in our locality? Foods in our locality faster. We do it fast. We have done this before. Foods in our locality. Teacher, we have the kales. Very good. What else is found in our locality? Locality is the environment around us. In the kitchen garden, at home, when you're coming to school, you see them. We have kales. Nice. What else do we find in our locality? What else? Teacher, we have carrots. Very good. What else, Janet? What else do we find in our locality? We have maize. Very good. What else is found in our locality? We have cassava. That is okay. We have potatoes. Potatoes. We have, what else is found in our locality? We have fruits, different types of fruits in our locality. We have lentils. Do you know what are lentils? They look like green grams, but they're darkish in color. They're blackish in color. Grayish. They're called lentils. Very good. We have beans. Nice. Now, grade 1s have made their nature corner, and you can see the way the nature corner looks like. Wow. Grade 1s. Hi, your nature corner looks nice. Wow. What can you see in our nature corner? What can you see in our nature corner? Teacher, we can see different types of fruits. Very good. Name for me some of the fruits you can see in our nature corner. Some of the fruits in our nature corner. Which type of fruit is this? Teacher, this is a banana. Very nice. What about this one? It is an orange. Then this one, this is an apple. And this one is a pear. Good. Then we also have, what can you see in our nature corner? What else can you see in our nature corner? Teacher, we have vegetables. Very good. Name some of the vegetables you can see here. We have the carrots. Are you seeing the carrots? Very good. We have the onion. That is nice. This is capsicum and the tomato. Very good. What else? Johnny, what else can you see? We have groundnuts. I knew. And someone has picked some groundnuts here. Who is that? I know. Then, what else can you see in the nature corner? Teacher, we have beans. That's nice. What else can you see? Are you seeing the beans? These are the beans. Then, we have the green grams. Teacher, yesterday, we ate green grams and chapati. That's nice. That's a healthy meal. Then, what else can you see in our nature corner? We have the eggs. Are you seeing the eggs? Very good. What else can you see in our nature corner? We have the rice. Wow. And lastly, what else can you see in our nature corner? We have the corn. Nice. Now, I want us to identify foods from, we said foods are, how many sources of foods do we have? Yes, Janet. Teacher, we have 2 sources of food. So, complete this. What does this question say? The question says, first, dash and dash are the main source of food. Sources of food. I don't know what is it, but I know we have 2 main sources of food. Give examples from our nature corner. Give examples of foods we get from plants. From our nature corner, give examples of food we get from plants. And you'll give me examples of these foods we get from plants. Then from our nature corner again, Give examples of vegetables. Give examples of vegetables. Here I want you to indicate plants, and on the other side examples of animal products. Very good. So here, give examples of vegetables. Give examples of vegetables. From our nature corner, I want people to give me examples of vegetables, the food we can use as vegetables. Very good. Who can remind me yesterday? What did we say? Why do we need food? Why do we need food? Teacher, we said we need food for growth. Very good. For me to grow like this and big and strong enough, I need food. Why? What? Why? Who can tell me again? Why else do I need food? Yes, Oscar. Teacher, we need food to prevent illness. Very good. And when you look at these foods, which foods do you think prevent illness? Which food do you think they prevent illness? Teacher, the groundnuts. Really? Not bad, but which foods are these? These are the foods that prevent illness. The fruits and vegetables. These are the foods that prevent illness. The fruits and the vegetables. They're the ones that once you take them, you are sure the diseases will go far away from you. Okay? So, any question up to there? Now, in your kitchen today, I want you to go and find out which are these type of foods found in your kitchen. Name for me some of them, so that tomorrow when you're coming here, you'll be able to tell me, teacher, in our kitchen we had the vegetables like tomatoes, we had the eggplant, the cucumber, the broccoli, all those, the cauliflower. Name all those vegetables, the coriander. After that, even the garlic. Then you also tell me, teacher, in our kitchen we have the lentils, we have the green grams, we have the rice, beans, like that. Any question? Any problem? So finish up your work, and after that, remember to draw the foods that are found in your kitchen. Remember to draw foods found in your kitchen at home. Thank you very much, and I just want to wish you a very, very, very good day.